I'm tryna put you in the worst mood. He want cleaner than your church shoes. $1.2 just to hurt you. All red.
Welcome to Motorsports Mania, your go-to channel for everything on four wheels, from the latest automotive releases to in-depth reviews and expert breakdowns of features and performance. Today, we're turning our attention to one of the most luxurious and commanding full-size SUVs in the market, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLS. This flagship SUV from Mercedes continues to set the benchmark in comfort, technology, and presence, offering a refined experience for drivers and passengers alike. The 2026 GLS gets a thoughtful design refresh that enhances its already impressive look. With a more prominent front grille, sleeker LED headlamps, and a sculpted bumper design, the vehicle carries a bolder and more modern appearance. Subtle tweaks to the rear include redesigned tail lamps and a cleaner tailgate profile, giving the SUV a sophisticated yet muscular stance. New wheel designs and paint options round out the exterior updates, ensuring that the GLS looks as luxurious as it feels. Power and performance are core elements of the GLS lineup, and the 2026 model offers several strong engine choices depending on the variant. The GLS 450 continues with its smooth and efficient 3.0-liter inline-six turbo engine with mild hybrid EQ boost technology, delivering around 375 horsepower. For those who want more power, the GLS 580 comes with a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, pushing out over 500 horsepower with the same EQ boost system. Both engines are paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission in the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, offering confident handling and responsive acceleration for a vehicle of this size. Ride quality in the GLS remains class-leading, thanks to the standard airmatic air suspension system that effortlessly smooths out road imperfections. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the GLS delivers a quiet, composed, and supremely comfortable driving experience. Mercedes has also improved steering feel and cornering capability, making this large SUV surprisingly nimble for its dimensions. Inside the cabin, the 2026 GLS offers one of the most luxurious interiors in the segment. Every detail has been carefully designed, from the soft leather surfaces to the ambient lighting and hand-finished trim materials. The massive dual-screen setup houses the digital instrument cluster and the infotainment system powered by the latest MBUX interface, which is more responsive and user-friendly than ever. Touch, voice, and steering wheel controls offer multiple ways to interact with the system, giving drivers flexibility and convenience. The GLS is also packed with technology that enhances both entertainment and functionality. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with multiple USB-C ports, a Burmester surround sound system, and available rear seat entertainment screens. The optional executive rear seat package transforms the second row into a first-class experience, complete with ventilated and massaging seats, a tablet controller, and even folding tables. Safety is another strong suit for the 2026 GLS. Mercedes-Benz includes an extensive suite of advanced driver assistance features such as active brake assist, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go capability, and a 360-degree camera system. The new model also includes improvements to semi-autonomous driving systems, providing even greater peace of mind during long journeys or in heavy traffic. With seating for up to 7, generous cargo capacity, and unmatched road presence, the 2026 GLS is a true luxury SUV that excels in every area. Whether you're focused on comfort, performance, or high-end features, the GLS delivers on all fronts and remains a top-tier choice in its class. If you found this review helpful and want to stay up to date with the latest car news, reviews, and detailed comparisons, don't forget to subscribe to Motorsports Mania. Join our community and let's explore the road ahead together.